Right, so actually someone commented about this tutorial, this comment right here specifically. So I'm gonna show you how to do that real quick. It's really not that hard. It's actually kind of simple, but I'm gonna just go ahead and show you. First, you want to start off with a new composition. Control N. You can copy that if you want. Press OK. Create a new solid. Control Y. Make sure you got motion blur on. And then put element on it. And when you put element on it, make sure you turn on motion blur on the element layer. Whatever. On the what's the name? And then you could put a text. You could put anything you want. Actually, I'm gonna put wow. What the hell? I'm gonna actually do wowzers. So you can do that. You could disable it because you won't really need to see it. And go to custom layers, custom text and mask, and then put it there, wowzers. And then you don't really need an image, but that's what I'm gonna do for this tutorial. So, all right, once you import your image, your picture, whatever, scale it up to like where it like pass or on the box right there, and then pre-compose it, and then move all attributes. Just make sure these two right here are clicked, checked or whatever, and then go back to the element layer. You can turn it off too because you don't need to see it. And then go to custom texture maps and then put it right there. Then go to scene setup, and what you want to do first is you could put extrude first. Usually I go to bevels and pick which one I want to do. I'm gonna do let me see what universal looks like. Yeah, I'm gonna do universal. And you want to make a new group folder. Click this, pick the 2, and you're not gonna use a cube and like scale it down or whatever. What you want to do is go over here and go to the starter pack physical and put this right here, the floor fracture, and then like flip it up, put it to 90. Yeah, 90, and then click this, go to the material, and then put the picture on it. Put it on the diffuse, the glossiness, and the reflectivity. And change the color to white, because if you don't, your picture is gonna be dark. And then it's gonna look like this. And then what you're gonna be doing is using animation engine. Just enable that, and it's gonna take the other picture away. To make it like do the rotate or whatever, like to match up, you go to world, transform, create the null, and you see how it's like that right there, like on the corner. What you want to do is, well, what I usually do is I'll make another null, Control Alt Shift and Y to make another null, or you can just go up here to layer and then add a null object and click the 3D thing and press Y to turn on the little axis thing so you can snap it. Make sure snapping is turned on up here, and then just drag it right there, and then connect that one to the null you just put on it. And now you want to go to group 2, particle look, particle rotation, and then go to the Z and put it to 180. That way it'll be upside down. You want to go to the world, transform null, and press R. Well, actually, I'm gonna make it zoom in first and press S, and then you can start from like 10, and then do it for like right there. So, I mean, it really don't matter. Just whatever, you know, piques your fancy. I'm gonna do 120. Make the text kind of big, and then Do that. F9 easy ease. F9 easy ease. And we're gonna use a vowel graph. Graph doesn't have to look the same, just put it to however you want, make it how you want. Once you do that, then you press R, hit the little Z rotation, and put it all the way over here, and make it go negative. Yeah, negative. And then you want to easy ease that, and you want to use the speed graph, and then put it something like that, something kind of smooth, and then go back to the solid with the element on it, and then go to animation, and then click that, press U, and then go all the way to the end and put it to 100. And then you want to easy ease that and put a speed graph on that, so it'd be smooth or whatever. And just make the graph similar to like the other one. It should look something like that. It should look like that. But what you want to do now is go up to group 2, particle look, and then multi-object, and then enable this right here. And then it will give it this look right here. Like that. And that's how you do it.